Hello guys, today we're gonna make a video about finding tall shelly or snake coco, whatever creepypasta. Let me tell the creepypasta to my one friend. Snake coco. Maybe snake coco. We're gonna be bro. Wait, I'm laggy. Let's okay, let's go to roleplay. We're going to the roleplay. I'm gonna say Beata, cause it works. Do we become Bassi? Beata, cause it works. You can use skins. You can use skins. Okay, wait. Follow me. Follow me. Let's hide at Dial Shop. Six finalists, cold, 10, 10. Say spineless cocoa 10 times. Spineless cocoa, eh?
You call your friends.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna be AFK. I'm gonna skip this part first. Wait, guys, wait. Guys, wait. Hello, guys, I'm back. It was like so long before spineless cocoa to spawn. She's not spawning yet. I'm gonna turn you into a Dubai chocolate. To a bun. I'm gonna turn it into a bun cocoa. I'm gonna check somewhere else. I saw something.
Sige. Orange ha?
Okay.
May yellow dyan eh. Nasa freezer yung natira sa dinalikabot.
Yung orange na.
Anong gusto mong flavor?
I saw black thing.
Pero marami akong bibilihin eh.
Hawakan lang pera.
I'm scared. I literally saw something. What? What the hell? What the heck was that? What the heck was that boat? Check the other. Let me check on the other side. The fuck?
Kaya nga dapat niya, yung mga ano, yung mga, di ba may pera naman ang barangay? Kasi yung mga pinagdalaman, yung mga ano, payudan niya.
Is
Kasi isang peraso? No, isang buo, no? Kapila sila dyan.
moving from one set.
Grabe yung sunog sa ano, Maynila.
Abduction.
Hanggang ngayon yata, hindi pa rin nakita, may mga baga-baga pa rin. Grabe, ang daming baga.
Abduction.
Maseko pa. Parang compound siya na maluwang. Parang isang barangay, no? Dapat.
Parang
Parang buong barangay, no? Parang kasi maganda, binabiti, mga ganun.
Me too. Me too. I'm also scared. I'm also scared, girl. Girl, I'm also scared. Yes. Me too. Me too. Or what? What is that? Am I glitching or what? Wait, snake. Gone again. It's gone again. The fluke.
May magaganda rin bahay.
The fluke is that. The. Aww. Oh my god, Nar. Oh my god, Nar. Nar.
Magaganda rin bahay nila. Magandang aircon din.
What the?
Ayaw, pinapa.
Oh, like this. Not where. I'm lag. I think I'm lagging.
Mura pa ako, kanya. Kasi nagtatrabaho ko yun. Kasi ako sa oras. Big. Bago mag-gusto niya yun. Hindi siya nag-buo. Dito dahil alas. Saan nagtatrabaho ko na pilas?
It's still working.
Smoky Mountain nung araw, pinatagpo na siya gawa ng
Still working.
di ba? Parang sa atin niya.
It's still working, I
Kasi
guess.
wala may asawa.
Ha?
Kaya ang pinirelita lang naman.
Parang na ganun.
Kaya sa dito. Pwede siya. Kaya gusto nga din niya daw dito. Kaso namin yun niya.
It's
Pamili.
working.
Nila kasi nasa sunod siya. Ang asawa niya.
Spawning. And places. It's like around spawning in random places.
Hindi naman sampal.
What the?
Nagsisimula sa truck eh.
Imagine if it
Saan nagdadaanan natin yun? Patubok ng gagawin. Hindi.
if it spawns here. Imagine if it spawns here. Imagine if it spawns here, bro.
Parang bunga.
Ano ay bilihan na ano, Mi?
I'm a, like, don't mind that. I'm a scream. I'm a scream girl. I'm gonna scream if she spawns.
5 lang daw. Home na. Pero malit niyo ako.
Don't mind my bad spelling. So you, what if she starts chasing us? I mean, if she does that, same
Kung kasi mga Colgate natin, friend, hindi naman sa...
thingy bell. Yes. Again. Guys, I'm gonna skip this part just because this part might take long. Wait.